Ladies and gentlemen, the role of geomatics in sustainable infrastructure development, as the theme of this workshop goes, cannot be overemphasized. And it is in this regard that the value of geomatics and geoinformation in this time that we live in is of paramount importance to any country to achieve its developmental needs, Botswana included.
I'm here to put up a voice on the need of having big, which is Botswana Institute of Geometrics, and why do we exactly we need professional bodies. I also emphasize on the need of big on the roads project. And in roads department, like as my peers have said, that your professions are always there on the inception of every development. For us to do a road, we need geotechnical reports, geotopography, the alignment of the roads are done by you.
Yeah, we do everything from the geographical information systems instrumentation, where we can go out, utilize, capture information and then populate it back into a centralized database info. Very important. Then the normal run-of-the-mill survey instrumentation, definitely, and then we're moving into what we call a division reality capture, where we then actually have the ability to share that information on multiple platforms.
Some of the issues that really stood out is issues surrounding the Geomatics Practitioners Act. It is very clear that one of the pragmatic solutions that we need as a country is to have the Geomatics Practitioners Act in place as soon as possible. The Permanent Secretary has also made assurances that before the end of this year, something to that effect will be done. So it's quite encouraging, and this is the message that we are sending to all geomaticians out there to say the Practitioners Act is coming up. They should engage the Botswana Institute of Geomatics to familiarize themselves with the contents of that practitioners bill, because it is going to affect people at a personal level. It is going to affect the profession as a whole. So anyone who deems themselves to be a geomatics practitioner, they should know that there is no how they will not be affected by this coming act, and it is their professional responsibility as well to make sure that before things are put in place, they become familiar with the contents of the act. I want to call you on board to come and contribute in this movement called Botswana Institute of Geomatics, because this is where, as professionals, we have our efforts being coordinated, because we cannot move the country forward with uncoordinated efforts. No matter how noble our ideas are, no matter how noble our efforts are, without any form of coordination, with only haphazard implementation of ideas, we will not move forward. So I implore all geomaticians to come on board so that we move in the same direction. We advise each other, we advise the country with one voice.